At Eternity Spiritual AI, we want to solve the needy client paradox that we talked about. What do? We are all about the subjective and the emotional world, and that is, while you may look at your clients as two magnets, we basically understand the forces between them. Nothing that we do is spooky. In fact, it is all about quantum mechanics and the physics of intention. Let's get back to the problem. We talked about this problem, the needy client syndrome or paradox. The biggest challenge over here is that these clients will take up all your time and you'll know nothing about them. So either you're taken for a ride or they're not coachable, or perhaps both. The result is that one side has absurd demands and the other has the lowest self image. This ultimately impacts your business in a big way. We have to rethink this business model. How? You see, choice is based on contrast. Both orange circles are the same. Choice is always an illusion because of the five senses are really illusory. You can check this out. Stop on any circle and you'll see that it doesn't move. Decisions are emotional, they are inner experiences. And you perhaps know that. We are just diving deep into it. Dating is a play of inner experiences, which means as two people come together, a lot of these emotions start playing. But there are other experiences as well. What are they? Some of them can be past traumas, inner child issues, rejections and fears, and ancestral patterns as well. We have to rethink the way matchmaking works with respect to feelings. What we think as feelings are much more complex inside a human. So, if you really look at it, dating and matchmaking is really an evolutionary game, and it goes beyond the objective world. And this is where matchmakers have a tremendous opportunity. And that is where we play. That is, we collaborate with you on decision intelligence. Let us prove to you how much the external world is illusory. This picture, if you see red in the picture, it is actually the brain is filling it up. Don't believe us? There is really no red color. That is the reason there is a need to understand these subjective forces, and that is where we play. We give you information that nobody on the planet can about your client, and it just needs 3 data points, which is usually available. Ultimately, matchmakers also have a huge responsibility, but they also have a huge responsibility to expand their business and help as many people as they can. Dating and marriage is a game of spiritual evolution, and most of the time, customers don't know what they really want. It is all dependent on their inner motivation, and that is where matchmakers can help transform the world. So let's talk about the energetic process of intent, because that's the only thing we need to find. There are 3 intents over here, which is intent to search, decide, and then finally close. Ultimately, matchmakers will always make money and become unique based on the way they handle these challenges. So, how can we help you? Here's how. We can understand the intent of a client pretty easily. First of all, we will give you information based on the client's past, based on the client's present, and also forecast the relationship into the future. Yes, we are pretty advanced, and that is why we are seeking a collaboration where we can solve the biggest challenges of today, that is love. Thank you for watching.